Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone.
Today we are going to make Channa chaat. We'll need one boiled potato, which I boiled for 10 minutes. We need 2 tomatoes cut up, half a cucumber, 1 onion, and 1 tin of chickpeas. Okay, so now we're going to add all the ingredients into the bowl. So that's the potato, and the rest will go in one by one.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Okay, so now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of anardana powder, which is pomegranate powder. You can get this from any supermarket or any Asian supermarket. And then I'm going to add teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so this is optional, but I like my chaat with a bit of lemon juice. So we'll squeeze half a lemon into the mixture. Now we're just going to give it a good mix and make sure all the masalas are infused into the chaat. Now I'm going to add a dash of yogurt. Give that a good mix. Now I'm going to add some imli sauce, which is tamarind sauce. You can add up to 2 to 3 spoons or however much you like. Okay, now that I've added the tamarind and the other ingredients, it's looking really nice and it smells amazing. The tamarind sauce gives it a really nice kick to it, a nice tangy kick. So now I'm going to garnish with a bit of coriander leaves. And it's entirely up to you. Some people add mint as well, but I like it with coriander. Right, it's now ready. It's looking really nice and it's so easy to make. You can also have this with samosas, spring rolls, or you can have it as a side dish. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Nisa Home Cooking, for more delicious recipes. Thank you guys.